Dr. Rohan Patel from Nagar, Gujarat, practicing since past 4 years. I've been doing laparoscopic surgeries too, but with this IMMAST online hybrid module, we have the added advantage of having to refresh and brush our basics from the comfort of our home without compromising our practice. So, and the added advantage is that once we are at the center, all our time is dedicated for hands-on training, and even the smallest of the details are taken care of in this course, and we get enough time to strengthen and sharpen our skills. And also they take care to see what, even if we are doing it since a long time, certain things we have been adapted to do, but maybe they are not in the correct manner, and they just point us very small tips which can help us avoid the unnecessary fatigue or the wrong technique which can someday land us in trouble. And it has been a great learning experience. The faculties have been very supportive. They have been trying to point out all the small short points which are very essential in day-to-day practice. And I hope to continue the journey further and enhance my skills by progressing to advanced courses in the next few months of time. Thank you so much.